My dear students, in this video I am going to introduce roots of higher degree polynomial equations. That means we are going to solve the higher degree polynomial equations in the topic theory of equations. For that, to solve the higher degree polynomial equations, we are following some rules. The first rule is the sum of all the coefficients of a polynomial is 0, then 1 is a root of that polynomial, and x minus 1 is a factor for that polynomial. If the coefficients, sum of all the coefficients of a polynomial is 0, then 1 is a root of that polynomial and x minus 1 is a factor for that polynomial. Example, consider this equation, x cube polynomial equation, x cube minus 3x square minus 33x plus 35 equal to 0. In this, coefficients of x cube is 1, x square coefficient is minus 3, x coefficient is minus 33 and the constant of 35. And adding all the coefficients, you will get 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 33 plus 35. Minus 3 minus 33 is minus 36, plus 1 and 35 is 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0. So sum of all the coefficients are given polynomial is 0. Therefore 1 is the root of that polynomial. Or otherwise x minus 1 is a factor for that. And rule 2 states that the sum of all the coefficients of odd powers and that of the even powers are equal. In a polynomial, if the coefficients of odd powers and the sum of all the coefficients of even powers are equal, then we say that minus 1 is the root of that polynomial and x plus 1 is a factor for that polynomial. Example, 2x cube plus 11x square minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. So sum of odd powers 2 minus 9. Coefficients of odd numbers odd powers is 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 adding you will get minus 7. Sum of even powers 11 minus 18. Constant term comes under even power. 11 minus 18. Summation is minus 7. Therefore, sum of all the coefficients of odd powers is equal to sum of all the coefficients of even powers. Therefore, minus 1 is a factor for this polynomial. We will solve some problems using these rules now. Okay? Now, I am going to solve one problem in exercise 3.3 using the rules I have given so far. Solve the cubic equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x equal to 3. You rewrite this equation as 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. You bring this 3 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3. See, adding all the coefficients, sum of all the coefficients, 2 minus 9 plus 10 minus 3. 2 plus 10, 12. Minus 9 minus 3, minus 12. 12 minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Therefore, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So, sum of all the coefficients is 0. Therefore, 1 is a root of the polynomial equation 1. 1 is the root of the given polynomial 1. Or x minus 1 is a factor for the polynomial equation 1. So x minus 1 is a factor means x minus 1 into other factor is 2x square. Other factor you can write as 2x square plus 3x. You will get minus 3. So minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3 equal to 0. You consider this equation, x square into x is 2x cube and coefficient and minus constant term is minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. Like that you have to define the other factor. X minus 1 is a factor for this equation. So the other factor is 2x cube. On taking x as factor, you will get 2x square plus tx plus 3. This plus 3, how can I get it? Minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3, it is in the equation. Therefore, this is other factor. Now, what is it? This is the factor for the equation 2x cube. What is that equation? 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3. See, this equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3 can be expressed in terms of factors like this. X minus 1 is a factor because all the sum of all the coefficients is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. The other factor is you can write it as 2x square plus 3 px plus 3. Now, comparing the coefficients of x on both sides, px 3 into x is 3x. Comparing the coefficients of x, 3 into x is 3x, coefficient is 3, px into minus 1 is minus p. 3 into x is 3x, coefficient is 3, px into minus 1 is minus px, that is coefficient is minus p. On the right hand side it is 10. So this becomes p equal to 3 minus 10. You bring this 10 that side and bring the minus p to the right hand side, it becomes p. Therefore p equal to minus 7. Therefore, the other factor is, the other factor 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now solving this equation you will get the other two roots. Already one is a root. Since it is a cubic equation, other two roots are solving this quadratic equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus, or otherwise we factorize this. We cannot factor because 2 into 3 6. You will factorize this, you will get 2x square by using the formula you can write, find out the roots. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. C is 3, a is 2 by 2 into a is 2. So this is equal to 7 minus into minus 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 49 minus 24, that is 7 plus or minus root of 25 by 2, that is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 2. The roots are 7 plus or minus 5 by 2 because 49 minus 24 is 25. So this is 7 plus 5 by 2, comma 7 minus 5 by 2. 7 plus 5 by 2 is 12 by 2. 12 by 2, that is 6. 2x square see, on solving this quadratic equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into 2, 4. Sorry. I can, here you get 2 into 2, 4, but I write 2. That's wrong. This is 2 into 4. Therefore, 49 minus 24 is 25 by 4 plus or minus 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So this is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So this is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, comma 7 minus 5 by 4. 7 plus 5 by 4 is 12 by 4. That is 3. 7 minus 5, 2 by 4. So that is equal to 3, comma 1 by 2. Already 1 is root. Therefore the roots are. So the solution for this given equation, therefore the roots are 1, comma 1 by 2, comma 3. That's all about the problem. Okay. Now again we will go solve one more problem in the exercise 3.3. Sixth problem, second subdivision. Solve the cubic equation 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. In this equation, sum of the coefficients of even powers is minus 2 plus 3 constant, that is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. And sum of the coefficients of odd powers 8 minus 7 is also 1. So sum of the coefficients of odd powers is equal to sum of the coefficients of even powers. Therefore, from that rule, minus 1 is a factor for that, and minus 1 is a root for this equation. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Sum of the coefficients of odd powers is equal to coefficients of even powers. Therefore, minus 1 is a factor. Minus 1 is a root and x plus 1 is a factor. Therefore, the given equation can be x plus dash. X plus 1 is a factor. You consider the other factor by 8x square. 8x square into x is x cube, 8x square plus px plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 equal to the given equation 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So, for this equation, these are the two factors. Since the coefficient of odd powers is equal to coefficient of the sum of even powers are equal, x plus 1 is a factor. Therefore, the other factor is 8x square. X square and x is 8x cube you want. Therefore, 8x square plus px plus 3. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 3. Now, equating the coefficients of x on both sides. Equating the coefficients of x on both sides. Here 3 into x is 3, px into 1 is p, 3 plus p equal to coefficient of x is minus 7 in the equation. So p equal to minus 7 minus 3, that is equal to minus 10. So p equal to minus 10. Therefore, the second factor is 8x cube, 8x square minus 10x, 8x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? For this equation, here also we can factorize this equation 8x square. To find the root, we have to factor 8x square minus 8 3 is 24. Product that minus 10 we want. Minus 12x plus 2x plus 3. So divide minus 10 into minus 12x minus plus 2. Minus 12 plus 2 becomes minus 10. Minus 12 into 2 minus 24. Oh, this is plus 24 we have, therefore the factors must be minus 6x minus 4x. Yes, it's correct. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24. So you have to split this 24 by adding, we want minus 10. That is minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, and minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24. So like that you have to split. Okay, if you add these two you will get minus 10, if you product these two you will get 24. So that's why we have to split this minus 10, and you can take 2x is the common term, you will get 4x minus 3. Similarly here minus 1 only you can take 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So the factors are 2x minus 1 into 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Equating 2x minus 1 equal to 0 implies x equal to 1 by 2. 4x minus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, the roots are minus 1 is already a root. Therefore, the roots of this given equation are minus 1 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Minus 1, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. This is the method of factorization you have studied already in your lower classes. Therefore, by factorization method you can find out the root easily. So the roots of the given equation is, cubic equations are minus 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. That's all about the problem. Okay? And we will continue the remaining problems in the next video. Thank you.